Hey guys, in this video we will be coming up with some sums in applications of trigonometry. Now, first let us take example 2 in page number 198. Here the question is, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. Now we can take this as electric pole. This is 5 meter. An electrician has to solve a fault in the pole. Now she needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole. So from the top it is 1.3 meter below. So we can take this point, we can take this point as 1.3 meter below. Now, what should be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined at an angle 60 degree to the horizontal would enable her to reach the required position. Now we can take this as the ground and she has to place a ladder. Now we have to find the length of the ladder. Now we know this part is 1.3 meter and here the angle formed is 60 degree. Now we can take it as A, B, C and this point to be D. Now they have given the value of the pole in the height of this part and they have given an angle formed by the ladder and the ground. Now we have to find the length of the ladder and also how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder. Now she has to find that from how many distance from the pole of the electric fault she has to place the ladder. Now we have to find this part as well as this part. Now first we can take this as a triangle. We need to find this part to find this and this. So to find this part we have to subtract the whole pole minus this area which is given. Now we know that AB is equal to AD plus DB. AD plus DB. Now AB is 5 meter as it is given. AD is 1.3 meter. So 1.3 plus DB is unknown. Now bringing this here, we get 5 minus 1.3 to be the value of DB. So this part is 5 minus 1.3. Now 5 minus 1.3 is 3.7 as we know. Now we have got this value. Now with this and with this angle we can find this and this. Now first we can use sine because we have an opposite side and an hypotenuse to the angle 60 degree. Now sine 60 is equal to dB by dC. Now sine 30 can be written as root 3 by 2. Now dB is 3.7 by dC is unknown. Now if we cross multiply we get dC root 3 to be equal to 3.7 into 2. Now dC root 3 is equal to 7.4. This can be brought here, so it would become dC is equal to 7.4 divided by root 3. Now in the question it is said to use root 3 as 1.73. So we can substitute it. So 7.4 divided by 1.73. We can multiply it by 100 by 100 to remove the decimals. So 740 divided by 173. Now if we divide this we get 4.28 and this will be the height of ladder. Now Now we have to find the distance between the foot of the pole and the foot of the ladder. Now to find that, we can take cot or tan. We can take tan 60. Now tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is dB, so dB by adjacent BC. Tan 60 is root 3 as we know. So root 3 divided by dB is 3.7 divided by BC. Now if we bring this BC here, we get BC root 3 to be equal to 3.7, and we can bring it here. So BC is equal to 3.7 by root 3. Now BC is equal to 3.7 divided by 1.73. Now again we can multiply by 100 by 100. So we can remove the decimal. So BC is equal to 370 divided by 173. Now we have to divide this. So 370 and 173. Now we can find the value of 173 into 2. It is 346. So mostly it will be exceeding as we have 100. So it might go above 400. So we can take this. So 2 into 173 is 346, which is less than 370. And we get 24. Now we can add a decimal point and we can add in 0 here. Now we got that 173 into 2 to be 346. So we can take 1. So 173. We subtract it. We get 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. And that's it. Now we can take the value. Next we can add in 0 here again. So 173 into, we can take 4. It is 692. Yeah, so we cannot take this. So we can take 170 into 3. It should be 9, 21, 2, 5, 19. So we can take 3. In here 5, 1, 9. We can take this. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5, 5, 1. And we can try with 173 into 73 again. It's 519. So we can use that. So 3519. So here we can take this value. So 2.133 can be written as 2.14 meter. Now the value of tan 30 to be 1 by root 3. So that is equal to h by 30 here. Now if we cross multiply, we get 30 is equal to h root 3. Now bringing this here, it would be 30 by root 3 is equal to height. If we rationalize it, we get 30 root 3 divided by 3. Cancelling it, we get 10 root 3 as the height of the tower. And 10 root 3 meter. Now getting into the fifth sum. It is a kite is flying at a height, we can take a height is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. So it is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground. We can take this as ground. The string is attached to the kite temporarily tied to a point on the ground. We can take this as a point, that is where string is tied. So from here the string is tied. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree, that is this is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So this is a straight string for now. So we have to find the value of this part. Now we can use as we have opposite and hypotenuse, we can use sine itself. So sine 60 is equal to 60 divided by the hypotenuse. We know the value of sine 60 to be root 3 by 2. So now cross multiplying, we get h root 3 is equal to 60 into 2 is 120. So 120. Now bringing this here, we get h is equal to 120 divided by root 3. Now we have to rationalize this. So h is equal to 123. Now cancelling it, we would get h is equal to 40 root 3 meter. Now that's it for today. For more videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Bye.